Hello students, how are you? Dear student, last day we discussed molecules of compound. When molecules of a compound contain atom of two or more different types of elements, and today we discuss ions, means charge. This is the most important thing. Compound contain metal and non-metal elements, contain charge particles are called ions. Charge particles means if any types of atom so with the help of charge means positive or negative. Suppose if any types of atom like that H, hydrogen, and these types of hydrogen we show with the charge means positive or negative. So this positive and negative depend to the atoms character of donating or receiving the numbers of electron. Means if any types of atom in the outermost shell presents 1, 2 or 3 numbers of electron, this is valence electron. And if any types of atom in the outermost shell present 5, 6, 7, is also a valence electron. So both types of cases, according to octet, the atoms can fulfill in the outermost shell means present in outermost shell 8 numbers of electron. So this 8 numbers of electron, they receive the atoms or donate the atom, mean the outermost electron. When they receive the electron, they fulfill the outermost, and some types of elements or atoms can donate the numbers of electron and also they fulfill in outermost shell. For example, sodium. So sodium, the total numbers of electron or atomic number of sodium is 11. So according to the electronic configuration by Bohr-Bury, the formula is 2n power 2, n equal number of orbit. So the distribution of 2, 8, 18, 32 and 50. Just previous video I also discussed. And this numbers of electron we see in outermost means the third orbit only 1 numbers of electron, and before 1 numbers of electron present 8 numbers of electron. So in case this sodium atom if donate 1 numbers of electron, so after donating the new electronic configuration of sodium atom is 2 and 8. It means they have only 2 orbit, and second orbit how many numbers of electron? 8 numbers of electron. So according to octet, this atom are stable. Same as usual. For example, if any types of elements like that chlorine. So chlorine, the total numbers of electron is 17. And according to electronic configuration by Bohr-Bury, the distribute of electron, this 17 electron is 2, 8 and 7. So first orbit 2, second 8 and third 7. So again, if we see here, the chlorine outermost shell 7. So in case they receive 1 numbers of electron, so the new electronic configuration of chlorine is 2, 8 and 8. So the third orbit, how many numbers of electron after receiving the electron? 8. So it's also stable. So the donating member we represent positive. How many numbers of electron they donate? We represent with the help of charge. Means suppose if any atom donate 1 electron, so we show plus, single plus. Suppose 2, double plus. Suppose 3, triple plus. Means 3 and plus sign. Suppose the receiver member receive 1 electron, we show single minus sign. 2 receiving electron, 2 and minus sign. 3, 3 number and minus sign. So this is the ions. Means compound containing metal and non-metal elements contain charge particles called ion, and ion is a charge particles having positive or negative charge, and positive charge ions is called cation, and the negative charge ions is called anion. And also it's depend to the valency, means how many numbers of electron by any atom donating or receiving, this is called the valency. So valency is the combining capacity of an elements. Clear? And here some also discuss some common ions and their valency. Valency name of ions, symbol, name of ions, symbol, name of ion, and symbol. Like that, silver, valency 1, symbol Ag, charge plus chlorine, Cl, symbol charge -1, nitrate, NO3, charge -1. So this all types of things related to ions. And when we discuss to ions, it's most important we note that the distribution of electron means the electronic configuration for every elements according to Bohr-Bury. Means the formula is 2n power 2. Here n equal number of orbit. Suppose the n value is 4, so 2n power 2 means 2 into 4 power 2 means the number of 4 orbit. So 4 power 2. So 4 power 2 means 4 4 just 16 and 16 to the 32. So the fourth orbit, how many numbers of electron? Maximum numbers 32. So this is the process to distribute the electron and find the valency or valence electron. Okay. And next video we discuss some other content related to this chapter. Okay, thank you.